There's no way that I would be anywhere near where I am now had I not had you come along. Every day I just am so thankful that I'm able to do what I do. So I had a gastric bypass in April 2018, and then I had some bowel issues in June of 2018, which rendered me in bed for 8 months. Basically, I spent 3 of those months in ICU. I couldn't move. I went from 167 kilos down to 48 kilos. We had to call the lawyers in twice while I was in hospital to do my will and organise my funeral. So that had some impacts. And I was also on ketamine for quite a while, which has left me with PTSD. They discharged me, and because of my age, there was no follow-up. I was left with nothing from the government because my illness is not caused through any accident or anything. So fortunately for me, I had insurance, and the insurance company contacted you, and we started our progress. So combined with the fact of being in hospital for 8 months and the near-death experiences and losing all that weight and being fitted with a colonoscopy bag. So when you arrived, I was pretty much at the bottom of my peak. There's no way that I would be anywhere near where I am now had I not had you come along and do the different techniques and show me different ways of exercising. And the fact that you don't have to go to a gym to get exercise, and you don't have to follow a gym program, but you do have to follow some simple things, which is every day. Like some of those challenges that we gave in the early days, I was like, oh my goodness, there's no way I can do 10 sit-ups a day. Thank you. I mean, with what you've shown me and how you've shown me and how you've dealt with it has been very professional, and I can't express my thanks more. It's very difficult to explain to someone what it feels like to have the ability to be able to, and appreciation to be able to go for a walk, to be able to pick up my grandson and carry him around. Simple things like driving a car, it's something you take for granted every day, but every day I just am so thankful that I'm able to do what I do.